Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. You know, when you're running a small bar or a busy cafe, having a reliable ice maker can make or break your service. Cheap countertop models often struggle to keep up, leaving you with half-melted ice when you need it most. That's why today I'm talking about the Lioncho 680LBS 24H and 560lbs storage bin commercial ice maker. It's built for high-volume use and actually delivers on its promises. Link is in the description if you want to check the product details on Amazon. First off, let's talk about performance. This machine is serious about ice production. It can crank out up to 680 pounds of ice in a single day and store up to 560 pounds at a time. That's enough to keep a busy bar or cafe stocked without constantly refilling. I've seen smaller machines get overwhelmed during peak hours, but this one just keeps going. It's perfect if you're serving drinks all night and don't want to worry about running out. Another thing I really like is how quickly it gets to work. You can have fresh ice ready in just 8 to 15 minutes. That's a huge advantage when you're opening up or need to replenish after a rush. Most commercial ice makers take much longer, so this speed is a game saver. Plus, it's built with stainless steel, which not only looks professional but also resists rust and wear over time. That's important when you're running a business and need equipment that lasts. Now, storage is a big deal too. The 560-pound capacity means you can load up before a busy weekend and not stress about refilling. I've used machines with tiny bins that force you to constantly empty and refill, which is a hassle. This one gives you that breathing room so you can focus on serving customers instead of babysitting your ice maker. Operation is straightforward, which is great for staff who might not have time to figure out complicated machines. The controls are intuitive, and it's designed to be user-friendly. Safety and sanitation are also top priorities here. It's ETL approved, which means it meets strict safety standards for commercial use. Plus, it has a self-cleaning feature, which is a huge plus. Keeping it clean is as easy as running a cycle, so you don't have to worry about mold or build-up over time. Customer service is another area where Lioncho shines. They're responsive and helpful if you run into any issues. That's not always the case with cheaper brands, so it's nice to see a company that stands behind their product. Whether you're a small business owner or managing a larger operation, having reliable support is key. Let's talk about the downsides for a second. It's a bit on the heavier side, so moving it around isn't the easiest. If you're setting it up in a tight space, you might need some help getting it into place. Also, while it's powerful, it does draw a fair amount of electricity. Make sure your setup can handle the load, especially if you're running other appliances at the same time. Overall, though, this ice maker is a solid investment for anyone who needs reliable, high-volume ice production. It's built to last, easy to use, and keeps up with the demands of a busy environment. If you're tired of cheap ice makers that can't keep up, this one is worth considering. So, if you're in the market for a commercial ice maker that won't let you down, check out the Lioncho 680lbs 24H and 560lbs storage bin commercial ice maker. The link is below if you want to take a closer look. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. For most buyers, the real question is not whether Lioncho 680lbs 24H and 560lbs storage bin commercial ice maker machine, ice ready in 8 to 15 minutes, ETL approval self-cleaning stainless steel industrial ice machine for bar restaurant cafe. Silver sounds impressive on paper, but whether strengths like excellent ice-making performance our commercial ice maker is an extra-large ice storage space and freshness the ice machine is actually make daily use feel easier, more dependable, and more worthwhile. After the first few days of excitement wear off. It is also smart to think about long-term satisfaction. A product like Lioncho 680lbs 24H and 560lbs storage bin commercial ice maker machine, ice ready in 8 to 15 minutes, ETL approval self-cleaning stainless steel industrial ice machine for bar restaurant cafe. Silver usually feels like the better buy when it stays convenient, comfortable, and reliable in normal everyday use instead of only looking good in the listing.